October 17, 2025. An incident occurred over Crimea involving a Russian Su-30 SM fighter jet.
Our intelligence suggests a Russian Su-30 SM was likely shot down by friendly fire.
This engagement highlights the critical danger of airspace deconfliction. While the pilot attempted countermeasures, the munition
Ejecting! Ejecting!
Причина инцидента расследуется. Никаких выводов пока не сделано.
Online, the speculation mounted rapidly. Users exchanged fragmented reports and theories regarding the blackout.
The most likely scenario is friendly fire, given the circumstances and lack of Ukrainian claims.
However, a technical malfunction cannot be ruled out, considering the high-stress operational environment.
This precision strike, targeting a key radar installation in the region, represents a significant escalation.
At this saturation point, the system can no longer differentiate between friendly and hostile signatures. The overload is now critical.
The Crimean air defense system is a multi-layered network. This complexity can lead to identification errors.
The military presence across Crimea has expanded significantly since 2014, fundamentally altering the balance of power in the Black Sea.
The launch sequence is critical. Once airborne, this drone will provide vital intelligence on enemy positions deep behind the lines. This formidable system provides a layered defense, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously across vast distances.
As drone traffic escalates, the complexity of urban airspace reaches critical levels. We are seeing unprecedented density in Sector 4.
Night operations require precision and discipline. The squad is utilizing the rugged terrain to mask their approach from the hostile forces ahead.
This simulation demonstrates the profound impact of reduced visibility. At this level of efficiency,
In a high-pressure environment, human error is always a factor. Quick decisions can have devastating consequences.
General Volkov has initiated Phase 2 of the strategic redeployment.
All units proceed to waypoint Gamma. Move now.
The global fallout has been swift. As these headlines show, the Kremlin is facing an unprecedented credibility crisis as sanctions continue to tighten.
As the invaders' armor rusts in our fields, the spirit of Ukraine thrives. Our forces are delivering decisive blows across the front.
As this graphic illustrates, the unit cost of the Su-30 SM is approximately $50 million.
the impact on Russian air operations is evident. Activity over Crimea has been significantly reduced and restricted, forcing a cautious approach.
As the smoke plumes rise over the Kerch Strait, the strategic importance of this contested territory becomes clear. As this graphic illustrates, Russian defense expenditures have reached unprecedented levels this year alone.
The urban theater presents unprecedented challenges. Maintaining grid integrity is paramount.
We have multiple breaches on the east.
The system registered the entire squadron as hostile.
Warning, IFF failure.
I'm declaring an emergency. We are blind.
The devastation here is clear. A single miscalculation resulted in catastrophic collateral damage.
This simulation depicts the constant pressure on Russia's western flank. Here, a Sukhoi Su-35 intercepts a pair of NATO
There will be further investigation regarding this situation, and I will stepping down from my position.
The incident highlights the vulnerabilities and complexities of modern air defense systems.
The simulation escalates. Sector Gamma is compromised by the incursion.
Reroute power to the southern grid.
I need eyes on the target now.
Redirecting assets, Commander.
As darkness falls, the 34th Specialized Unit begins its approach. The distant detonations confirm the target's location.
Although it was likely one small event, the fallout will have long-lasting ramifications.
The aftermath in Crimea reveals a landscape scarred by conflict, yet strategically vital.
As the Guardian system achieves full elevation, its phased array radar begins scanning the battle space.
The human element. Despite the system's advanced autonomy, the operator's strategic oversight remains critical during the initial deployment phase.
We have learned a very costly lesson. about modern air warfare.
The incident serves as a reminder of the strategic importance of Crimea and the complexities of modern warfare.